I'm from Adana in the south of Turkey, and I'm not talking about my weight. It's so comic, but once upon a time, it's so hard to me. Because when I was a child, I was so fat, and I was 15 years old, and I was 90 kilos. When I was studying in high school, and first day, I late a little bit, and I knocked the class door and get in, and everybody loved me. I was cried and cried always. Those days so hard to me and so harmful. And finally, I get sick. My sick name is bulimia. Do you know bulimia? Yeah. And less than 1 year, I lost 40 kilos. And now I'm